This gaming PC is a perfect example of how a CPU and motherboard may be compatible with each other on paper, but not out of the box. See, right now we're in an era where motherboards are being designed for multiple generations, which is an amazing thing because now it's easier than ever to go ahead and upgrade your CPU down the road because you don't have to change your motherboard, or at least not nearly as often. However, because boards like this X670E board was actually in circulation 2 years before the 9000 series of CPUs, when you try to install one, you end up getting an error where the system just doesn't recognize the CPU at all, giving you no post. Even though these are technically fully compatible with each other, it's just the fact that this board is just significantly older and it doesn't recognize the newer architecture of these 9000 generation CPUs because they just didn't exist when these boards first came out. But fortunately, most boards have a very easy fix through a simple BIOS update, which can be downloaded from MSI's website on another computer. If you just click on support, and then you'll see the BIOS section and click download on the latest version. This will then download a zip file which you're going to want to extract. And once you have the extracted folder, go ahead and open it up. And then you're going to want to look for the main BIOS file. It's about 32 megabytes in size. For MSI boards, you're going to want to right click that file, click rename, and type msi.rom and change the file's name. Then plug in a blank flash drive and drag over that msi.rom file. We can then pull this flash drive out and plug that into the dedicated BIOS flash port. Now we just turn our power supply on and press the BIOS flash button. We'll see a little red LED start flashing on the inside of the motherboard I/O. We'll go ahead and let that run. That will go ahead and start the BIOS flash process. This process can take about 5 to 8 minutes, so just let it do its thing. And once complete, the system will restart right into the BIOS, ready for us to install an operating system because our motherboard now knows how to talk with our newer CPU thanks to that BIOS update.